Knock knock. It's 1st July 2020, the first day of my presidential rota year 2020-2021, and it also happens to be the doctor's day. So I, Rotaract Diptendranath Thor, the president of Rotaract Club of Salt Lake Metropolitan, take up this opportunity in thanking all the doctors who stood beside us in the pandemic. And we, the Rotaract Club of Salt Lake Metropolitan, have asked some doctors about their experiences in the pandemic and also the advices. So now, here it goes.
I am Dr. Moshmi Nandi, practicing as a gynecologist for the last 22 years in Howrah. In this present COVID-19 pandemic, I would like to tell you that please follow all health norms, use your mask, sanitizers, and then only we can fight this COVID-19 pandemic. As for my private patients, I have tried to keep my clinic open in the morning and evening hours. I have attended a few emergency deliveries in my private hospitals, and I have also helped many patients on online platforms in different parts of India. I have kept my clinic sanitized on a regular basis, and again I would tell everybody to please follow the health norms, keep safe distance, and keep social distancing, and also use your mask and sanitizers. Please follow these rules.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shusheta Bonik. I have completed my MBBS from NRS MCH and now I am working as a residential medical officer. Presently, we are facing a pandemic due to COVID-19 infection. As per latest update, there are 3.21 lakh cases are diagnosed as COVID-19 positive in our country. Mostly affected places includes Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Gujarat. Number of deaths due to COVID-19 infection has crossed 9,000. More or less 1,69,000 patients are also recovered from this infection. In Bengal, active cases are near about 11,000, but number of deaths is comparatively less. It is a crucial time for our country, particularly for them who are attached with any kind of emergency public service. Though India is not in community transmission phase till now, but infection rate is showing an increasing trend. During this period, due to the increased number of the COVID patient, whole health system is facing a huge rush of patients. In initial phase, all of us were facing problems to cope up with such emergency situations. Moreover, as health workers are more prone to infection due to direct contact with COVID-19 patients, initially there was shortage of the manpower also. But with time, this problem is also resolving. To serve our best, my fellow doctors are giving duties in COVID-19 specific hospitals in a regular manner. As number of mild to moderate COVID-19 cases are more, so home quarantine is advised for such patients after counseling them properly about the danger signs. Immunity of an individual is a very much important factor to fight with COVID-19 infection. That's why we are advising to take special care of aged persons, chronically ill persons specifically. There is no connection between COVID-19 infection and meat consumption. Regarding treatment, antibiotics have no direct role in treatment of the COVID-19. Medicines that are recommended and guidelines that are given by our health ministry is helping us very much to treat these COVID-19 patients. Lockdown announced by our Honorable Prime Minister of almost 70 days span helped us a lot to combat with such pandemic. It helps us to locate the particular hotspots of corona infection and to take proper steps to control infection. So please take safety measures like hand washing, using masks while going outside, and maintain social distancing to fight and conquer the corona pandemic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vendrila Basu, working as a gynecologist in Kolkata and Howrah. As we all know at present, the COVID-19 pandemic is sweeping across the world, including India. As this situation is very new to us, we all need to get accustomed to this new changed scenario. During the lockdown, I found that people were panic-stricken and can broadly be divided into two categories. One group of people who are maintaining hygiene, maintaining social distancing, using masks, and another group of people who are very reluctant in using masks and maintaining social distancing. Many health workers, doctors, nurses, emergency workers, and their families were harassed as people in the community thought they were spreading COVID-19 infection. Many COVID-19 patients and their families were also harassed and looked down upon as untouchables. As the lockdown is relaxing countrywide, my suggestion to everyone will be, there is nothing to get panicked. We need to follow social distancing, maintain hygiene, maintain sanitization, and wearing masks will all prevent spreading COVID-19 infection in the community. We should treat COVID-19 patients with care, compassion, and sympathy, as anyone of us could be in their place at anywhere, anytime. If we all fight together, we will definitely succeed in fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.
Hello, this is Dr. Tunir Mullik from ESIC Medical College and Hospital, Joka. I work as an intern here. When I passed my finals and entered this hospital as an intern, we faced this COVID-19 pandemic. Our senior doctors have been very helpful in guiding us in how to treat these COVID-19 patients. Overall, it has been a unique experience for me, learning from our senior doctors, but it sometimes really feels helpless when even after trying everything, we are unable to save someone. But that's just life. We have to deal with it properly. And the fact is that wearing those PPE, those personal protective equipments, those spacesuit-like white things in this hot, humid weather, and getting drenched in my own sweat, getting our palms getting soaked and wrinkled from the sweat. But it was worth the experience when we were able to save lives of so many patients. And of course, few have died, but that's just life. And the another aspect which I really want to mention for as responsible citizens, the way we need to behave is social distancing, because if we don't maintain social distancing, it is this way this virus spreads. So please avoid large gatherings, wear masks, always try to wash your hands as much as possible, use hand sanitizers, soaps are quite good. And the thing that we need to do is take proper care of our elderly, because in our elderly, the comorbid conditions are much more, and this virus, COVID-19 virus, targets those comorbidities of our elderly. So please take care of our elderly, please maintain proper hygiene, and try to stay safe. Thank you.